Okay, I don't know where I dropped off, but anyways, we're still fighting in the exact same place. Earthbomb of whipping winds. Terrifying twister puts the bad guys into a spin. Press X and yeah. So we're still in the same spot, doing the same stuff. And I've been fighting this exact same spot for the past, like, I have no idea how long. See, that is why I love Earth. It is so overpowered. It is so OP. The best thing is, even if you defeat the enemies, that stays there, because you're forced to go into a castle. I've seen someone do this, so I know a little bit of where I'm going, but I'm pretty much in the dark. My camera makes things so bright. Alright, I am so sorry about this cutting in and out of stuff. I just moved into Cynder's lair, and we are fighting in her castle. Once I fight them, a platform will go up. So this video is just going to be fighting in the exact same spot, probably. That gate reminds me of the one that you fight in the Rector in Star Wars 6. That gate falls on someone, they're a gunner. Like, Earth is so powerful that sometimes you don't even need to use the breath. Just your hits are so powerful. That's a terrible angle. Camera!
Nice work, big guy. Now for the next one.
Alright. Next floor. Yeah. What? And Nathan's complaining about something.
Almost there.
Alright, third floor. Oh, now it gets dangerous. Alright, those things, if I'm remember correctly, they're called conduits. Yeah, I just fell down the floors. A lizard. Like, if I ever got a pet, it'd definitely be a bearded dragon. Because those are just, like, the best lizards you can probably get as a pet, as everyone has said to me. I always want to get one of those. Like, I'm definitely going to do that someday. Like, just the idea of saying you have a dragon as a pet is awesome. I'm going to pretend like that did not happen. Slow-mo. Yeah, I don't know why Nathan likes fire so much. Earth is just so OP. Overpowered. No! Earth is overpowered. Just like... Yeah, but if you're using Earth, you kill enemies so fast, you get your crystals, you get your mana back, you get your magic back fast enough anyways. That's the thing, is that Nathan and me differ on our powers so much. Ow. There we go. Oh, more. Oh. Thank you for dying.
You died?
No, I was talking to the enemies. They died. I just like earth pressed them off the side of the cliff. Heard an earth bomb of spinning terror, the vortex of doom. Few can escape its whooping winds. Press X to upgrade this broth.
Alright, dude, fine. Earth breath it is. Earth breath it is all the way through.
Okay.
Now, the enemy down here, earth breath all the way through.
Awesome. Like, there's this guy, I think, Random Game Critic, I remember watching his Let's Play of this, and he got a comment from one of his viewers that said, once you get earth bombs, or, I think he called them, like, earth vortexes, yeah, upgrade it all the way and never use anything else. F5 tornadoes. I'm loving this earth breath. I'm still recording. I don't know, this is like my second, I think this is my second video because like, my camera kept cutting out at first. Oh, big guys with swords? My favorite type. Oh, I'm back outside. I'm in the second round of outside. Oh yeah, the conduits. Yeah, I already beat the first one. Yeah, because I started before you, because you were so... I started before you because you were one, you're very quick and far ahead, and second, you're so slow in setting up anything. I'm using Earth Breath and I'm speeding up past you almost. Back inside. You know, if you actually use Earth, your melee attacks are about 5 times stronger. With Earth, your melee attacks are really actually very powerful. Like, I mean, like, the reason I'm on Earth is not because I use the breath so often, just because the melees are so powerful. Alright, back outside. Ah! What was that? I can't talk. Heart breaking up. Come on. Ignitus is waiting. Awesome. Sparks can't talk. It's a miracle.
It's a miracle, guys.
Hallelujah. 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 Yes. It's a dream come true. The worst angle in the world. You can in Eternal Night, but I'm not sure about New Beginning. No, like I saw one guy, he was playing Eternal Night and he ignored every single group of enemies that he could, and he finished the Let's Play in about 13 parts. What? Yeah, that would be common sense though. But this is a video game. Alright, let me level up since I'm almost done with Earth. Then I'll finish up the electricity. But you always have a lot of experience because, you know, you can't level up until you're in challenge mode. Big guy down. Do you know what's really weird? I was facing it. I was fighting some apes, and you know, I just found one. I threw an earth bomb at it, and then I turned around to fight the other one, and we just stared at each other. Like we didn't even fight each other. We just stared at each other. It's like, oh, he's got a sword. You idiots. We all got swords.
It's like Aladdin.
Exactly.
He's got a sword.
Good.
Idiots. We all got swords.
And it's like, alright, big guy, sword, beach, fire. Now, earth. But either way, you're dead. I could use fire. Whoops. Let's finish. Let's officially level up Earth right now. Oh, come on, come on. Yes. Did I do it? Yes. Now you have Fury of Karan's Wrath of Nature. Press. So now I have a huge attack.
You need to do electricity now.
Yeah. That was pathetic. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna use fire for a little while, since Nathan says it's so awesome. Okay. I just started fighting a Dreadwing. He was way up there.
Architect must have.
Alright, now we are at the, I would say, the most interesting element that they add to this level. You step in there and it's an elevator. It brings you all the way up to Cynder. But what's different about this elevator is you actually get enemies at each level. So the door closes, you go up, and enemies fight you on the way up to each level. I'll fight the first wave of enemies, I think, and then I'll have to cut out this recording. You know, cut out, you know, like if I could, I would cut out every single fighting I could, but that's just not worth it at some point. Alright, I'm going to end it off there. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will continue on in Cynder's Lair. See ya.